Cybersecurities are everywhere, from global banks to your grandma's email. And here's the wild part. There is a global shortage of over 3 million cybersecurity professionals right now. That means you, yes, even if you are just starting out, can launch a career in cybersecurity with massive demands, great pay, and no degree required. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact cybersecurity roles that are hiring in 2025, what skills and certifications you need, and how to land your first or next job even if you are coming from a zero tech background. So stick around to the end. I'm sharing a 5-step action plan that's helped thousands of beginners go from confused to cyber hired. Let's dive in. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world around $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. Every industry needs cybersecurity. Healthcare, banks, airlines, startups, even schools. According to a Tech Radar report 2025, over 17,000 cybersecurity roles are open in the UK alone. In India, NASSCOM predicts a shortage of 1 million cybersecurity professionals. Entry-level analysts can earn 5 to 9 LPA in India or 65 to 90k dollars in the US. The best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. Cybersecurity is open to anyone who is curious, good at solving problems, and ready to learn. So let's break down the roles you can target in your first few years. So here are some beginner roles requiring 0 to 2 years of experience. Security analyst, where you monitor alerts, handle incidences. Your salary would range from 4 to 7 LPA. SOC analyst, where you perform tasks like watch security dashboards, escalate issues, where salary will be ranging from 5 to 8 LPA. IT support plus security, where you fix basic vulnerabilities and update softwares. Salary ranging from 3 to 6 LPA. Here are some tools to learn for beginners: Wireshark, Nessus, Splunk for monitoring and scanning. You can also have Try Hack Me and Hack the Box, which are free, beginner-friendly labs. Now let's talk about mid-level roles, 2 to 5 years. The roles that you can target are penetration tester, ethical hacker. Here you simulate hacks to find weaknesses. Your salary would range from 8 to 15 LPA. Threat intelligence analyst, here you study hacker groups, malware patterns. Your salary would range from 9 to 14 LPA. You have security engineer, where you build secure systems and automate tools. Salary ranging from 10 to 18 LPA. Here are tools to level up with: Burp Suite, Metasploit, Python scripting. Cloud security like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Here's a tip: you don't have to wait years to move up. If you are hands-on and keep learning, I've seen people go from analysts to ethical hackers in under 18 months. Skills and certification for 2025. Here are the must-have skills you should focus on. Networking basics like TCP/IP, firewalls, DNS. Operating system knowledge, Windows, Linux security. Analytical thinking, read logs, spot patterns. Tools like Splunk, Nmap, Nessus, and Wireshark. Cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, security basics. AI awareness, understanding how AI impacts attacks. Certifications by levels. For beginner, you can go for CompTIA Security plus Google Cybersecurity Cert from Coursera, Cisco CCNA. For mid-level, you can go for CEH, that is Certified Ethical Hacker, with AWS Cloud Security or CCSP. No degree, no problem. Many companies now accept certs and experience over formal education. Even Google, IBM, and Cisco offers beginner certs that leads to interviews. Real company hiring in 2025. So here are real companies hiring now and what they look for in the junior or mid-level candidates. Infosys and TCS India. Here, hiring of 500 plus SOC analysts and security engineers. They ask for basic networking plus security or CEH. Microsoft and Google, hiring cloud security interns and threat analysts. Looks for candidates with AWS or Azure knowledge plus Try Hack Me portfolio. Startups, US and India. Fast-growing fintech and health tech startups often prefer hands-on experience, CTFs, GitHub projects over degrees. Don't just apply on LinkedIn. Join Discord communities, follow hiring managers on X, that is Twitter, and showcase your lab work on GitHub. You don't need a job to gain experience. You need a home lab and internet. Here's a step-by-step breakdown to build experience without a job. First, home lab setup. Use VirtualBox or Try Hack Me to simulate attacks. Capture the flag, CTF. Join CTFs on Hack the Box and Pico CTF. Blog it. Write about your learning on Medium or LinkedIn. GitHub portfolio. Upload scripts, analysis, or reports. Volunteer. Offer to audit security for non-profits or small startups. Recruiters love to see initiatives. A well-documented Try Hack Me profile or GitHub project can be more powerful than a resume. So here are some job search tips. Use LinkedIn and Glassdoor for fresher or entry-level security roles. Search for apprenticeship or trainee roles. Tailor your resume. Highlight labs, certs, and CTFs. Don't ignore contracts or freelance roles. They often lead to full-time. Even big firms like Accenture and Wipro post cybersecurity internship monthly. Set alerts. Here's your beginner to job checklist. Screenshot this. Learn networking, Linux basics. Complete 10 plus labs on Try Hack Me. Get Security Plus or Google Cybersecurity Cert. Build a GitHub or Medium blog portfolio. Apply weekly, follow up, and stay consistent. If you follow this, you will land your first cybersecurity role even with zero prior experience. Want more help? Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're now officially on your journey to becoming a cybersecurity pro. Let's secure the future, one bite at a time.